shows over the weekend.
Okay. I've got this radio nice and clean up as well. It just needs a belt. I've got to free up the cassette mechanism there and clean up the switches so the tape works again. It's just all stuck with stiction for a long time no use. I've run over the belts and all the idlers with some rubber renew. So that's going to fix everything up. Done the pen roller there. Gave it a sandpaper and a buff of rubber renew. Let that sit for a couple of hours and hopefully this will be all nice and good. Help restore that. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. More on this later after this stuff takes effect. Should work much better. Anyway, thanks for watching. G'day viewers, well, I listened to this device yesterday. I got some nice classic songs from the 60s on here. Like Eve of Destruction by Barry Maguire, some Petula Clark on this reel in particular. The machine here is a mono 2-track, so you'll play it one way, mono, and flip it over and mono on the other side. This is a 4-track stereo. Basically I'm playing the left channel with one track and it's playing backwards on the right channel on the other side of the tape. So it's a 4-track machine but in 2-track tape. I can record it, re-record it, but I don't really want to. It's got some classics on there. This machine was obviously not designed for music, but someone has actually used it for music, and it's pretty low fidelity, low quality. The machine here in particular is designed for speech, that these originally came with. Speech or dictation only, that machine. But it's just a low quality AM, or it's AM, definitely off an AM radio station, but there's no ads or just the songs, and it's been edited to fit the tape, so it's been just the music only, nothing identified a radio station, nothing, which is a bit of a shame. Been nice for some historic purposes. Anyway, I was playing one side fine, and I played the other side, and the pen roller started getting slippery and glazed over, and I was pushing the tape over the edge and started lording the tape, so I stopped it. So I'm going to have to redo that. The belts aren't too bad, doesn't really want to fast forward very well, but they did come a bit better, so I have to pull this apart and re-rubber renew the belts or chuck them in a boiling water kettle. Haven't done that with this yet. Take the belts out and just boil them in the kettle. Then I'll get them back to the new, renew the belts. These speakers sounded pretty good, but I decided to plug these big speakers into it. It improved the sound. This is only a, I think it's a 4-watt amplifier in there anyway. So it doesn't do too bad on these big speakers. It does improve the sound a bit. Or I could just plug it straight into this big system here if you want sound even better. If I come across a blank one of these in there that's blank, I'll definitely put some NCS on there for demonstration. The faster speed's better quality, but it's only, I think it's about 10 minutes of recording on the reel. That's about 8 or something. Anyway, I've got to check the box, it says in there. The 1 1/4 inches per second, your lowest possible quality recording, but 90 minutes per spool. Anyway, works quite well, this old device. Some classics on there, really nice old songs. I'll play it without the cover on there just so you can see everything works. I need to clean up this pen roller a bit too, let's see how it goes. Oh, I got the speed set wrong for a starter. That's not how to do it, by the way. I have to wind this up by hand. Oh yes, the funds of a reel-to-reel machine. This was a very real struggle back in the day, those of you who don't know. Okay. I'll have to redo that by hand. I'll start again. Try it again. Pinch roller. Pinch roller's having trouble there. Our pinch roller's a bit fucked. blank. Yeah, our pinch roller's not working too well, is it? I have to redo that pinch roller. That's the problem. Yeah, as you can see, it needs a bit of work. It worked better on this tape. This tape's a bit thinner, so we're going to get this sort of issue with a bad pinch roller. I'll take it back to the start of the spool so I can work on that bit of tape and not damage the tape as much. You can see the belts need a bit of a redo, so I will do those at some stage. Yeah, the belts need to be done. That's really running nicely. Okay. What do we turn it off? Hit that with some rubber on you, I reckon. Just to demonstrate here, you got to have this on because it does help guide the tape. There we go. My take-up's not working. Yeah, my spool, that spool's a bit damaged, been squashed on one side. I have to fix that. But I can't really play too much of that infringing copyright, so I'm going to have to make an NCS spool for this. As you can see, I've got a squashed bit there, so been stored like that. Yeah, belts need to be done, big time. But you get the idea. The machine works fine, other than the belts letting it down. And the odd issue with that pinch roller not doing its job. Yeah, she works, just needs a bit of fine tuning, that's all. This had sat nearly 40 years unused, so it's to be expected. It's been stored and it's squished and the tape gets stuck there, so I have to fix that. This can take up to 6-inch reels too, I think. 6-inch 4-track reels you can get for this machine.